Have you ever stared up at the night sky and wondered what it would be like to live on Mars? As we venture deeper into the 21st century, this question is no longer a mere product of science fiction, but an actual scientific pursuit. Top minds from around the globe are tirelessly exploring the idea of humans calling Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, home. This isn't some wild dream. It's a possibility that's being studied, analyzed, and planned for as we speak. We're in an era where the human footprint is about to extend beyond our blue planet, into the red terrain of Mars. But this exciting prospect doesn't come without its fair share of challenges. The harsh Martian environment, its thin atmosphere, and the long journey to get there, all present significant hurdles. Yet these challenges also bring opportunities, chances for us to innovate, to adapt, to evolve. Imagine waking up to a red sunrise, the Martian dust beneath your feet. Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? Living on Mars is not as easy as packing up your suitcase and catching the next flight out. The red planet, while intriguing, presents a multitude of challenges for human habitation. First off, the environment is incredibly hostile. We're talking about a place that's bombarded with deadly radiation where dust storms can blanket the entire planet for months. Then there's the issue of oxygen, or rather the lack thereof. Mars's atmosphere is composed mostly of carbon dioxide with only trace amounts of oxygen. Breathing there? Not an option without serious tech. And let's not forget the extreme temperatures. Mars isn't exactly a tropical paradise. Its average temperature hovers around -80 degrees Fahrenheit, dipping even lower during the winter. On top of all these physical challenges, there are psychological ones too. Imagine living millions of miles away from home, isolated from everything familiar. So, while the idea of a Martian sunrise is fascinating, surviving there would be a challenge of its own. But don't pack away your dreams of Martian living just yet. Yes, the challenges are formidable, but they're not insurmountable. And that's where the magic of human ingenuity comes into play. Picture this: terraforming Mars, a process that could take hundreds, if not thousands of years. But with advancements in technology, we could accelerate this process, manipulating the Martian environment to make it more Earth-like and habitable. Imagine creating artificial atmospheres, replicating the conditions we need to survive. A shield from the harsh solar radiation, a balance of gases to breathe, and a climate amenable to human life. But what about food, you may ask? Well, we're already developing new ways to grow food in harsh environments. Hydroponics, aeroponics, and other futuristic farming techniques could allow us to cultivate crops in the Martian soil, or even in climate-controlled habitats. With the right technology and preparation, a life on Mars might not be so far-fetched after all. Could Mars be the future of humanity? As we stand on the precipice of a new era, we're faced with a compelling question. What if our next evolutionary step isn't on Earth, but on the red planet itself? Mars, with its tantalizing mysteries and untapped potential, could become a new home for mankind, unlocking a world of scientific discovery. Imagine the knowledge we could gain, the technologies we could develop, the secrets we could unravel. Moreover, the idea of becoming a multi-planetary species isn't just the stuff of science fiction anymore. It's a tangible, achievable goal that could elevate us to new heights, safeguarding our species against global catastrophes, and pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible. The future of humanity may well lie within the dusty red soil of Mars. We're standing at a crossroads, with the opportunity to shape our own destiny. So the next time you find yourself staring up at the night sky, remember, Mars could be humanity's next frontier.